Want to change the watch face on your Apple Watch? In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the steps to customize your watch face and make it truly yours. But before we dive into the process, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone rocking an Apple Watch. Start by going to the home screen selection drawer on your Apple Watch. Once you're there, tap on the Edit button. This will bring up a variety of options for your home screen and watch face. To explore different faces, simply swipe left or right. When you find one you like, you can set it as your wallpaper. At the end of the face options, you'll see a plus button. Tap it to access new watch faces. Once inside, scroll up and down to browse. Each face will have an Add button. If you find something you like, tap Add to proceed. You can also tap on any face to explore different styles and categories. After choosing a style, you'll land on the Complications page. This is where you customize which widgets or features show up on your watch face, like the date, time, activity rings, alarms, calculator, battery level, blood oxygen, and more. For example, let's say you want to add blood oxygen or a calculator. Just select them, and they'll appear on the corners of your watch face. Each corner can be customized individually. You might choose date in the top left, heart rate on the top right, battery on the bottom left, and calorie count on the bottom right. You can mix and match however you want to personalize your Apple Watch experience. That's it. Your watch face is now fully customized. If this video helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.